motor cars. This is our 1958 MGA 1500 Roadster. It's finished in, I believe it's an original color of Tyrolite green, which is really attractive. Black leather interior, black painted wire wheels, luggage rack, wood alloy wheel, completely rebuilt 1500 engine, the original matching numbers engine. I just took this car for a drive. It's a really good running, driving car. So mechanically really dialed in. Runs, drives, stops, steers. I'll show you the engine in a minute. It's a completely rebuilt original matching numbers engine, and they did a real nice job. But yeah, wonderful, really good restoration project. Just needs basically paint and interior because you know, mechanically it's all rebuilt and up to snuff right now. So you can see me driving it preceding this video. Starts on the button, good oil pressure, goes around the block nicely. Brakes, clutch, steering, suspension, shocks, everything feels pretty good on the car. Probably maybe needs a new set of tires. I don't know the age of the tires, but this was kind of a rolling restoration for the previous owner. So like I said, he rebuilt that matching numbers 1500 engine, so that's crisp and brand new, off to a really good start. And then they were kind of working their way out. Never really got to painting the car or doing the upholstery, but they did buy a ton of new parts from Moss. And so this car's, you know, got a pretty good start ahead of it. Decent gaps, trunk needs a bit of fitting. Doesn't really fit beautifully to the car, but, you know, needs to be adjusted. But pretty good driver's side gapping, you can see there. Hood fits pretty nicely, grille fits well. Chrome works decent, kind of a nice mix and match of chrome, but yeah, just old scabby paint, chippy, you know, just as ready for cosmetics, but actually a pretty decent little car that is currently running and driving. We bought it from Minnesota. You can see the original license plate there. Have a look at all the still photos because there are lots of really nice newer parts that I think the gentleman spent a few $1,000s on. Let's look at the car's interior. Beautifully upholstered black leather seats. He said he is still tracking down the passenger side, so we don't know if we're going to get that or not, but we'll wait. Really nice dashboard. I think it's the original paint. You can see in here it's an original Tyrolite green 1500 Roadster. So when this car is done, it'll be quite beautiful with Tyrolite green with black trim. That's probably the way I would do it. Back here you can see side curtain bag, that looks new. Seats, like I said, are in great shape. The gauges seem to all work. There's a wood wheel fitted. Chrome's not bad. You could probably get away with using a lot of this chrome work. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's great. Windshield looks like it's in really decent shape. Probably need to replate the exterior frame. Beautiful set there of black painted wire wheels, which I really like that look. Let's pop the hood here and take a look at what's underneath. Take a look at the engine compartment. Yeah, pretty good fitting hood. Let me find the catch here. Yeah, so under here they did like a light blackening just to tidy it up. But we'll start at the front here. So aluminum radiator, that's brand new. Fully rebuilt engine. This is the matching numbers engine which the car is currently titled to. So it's the correct matching numbers 1500 engine. They fitted an alternator, electronic ignition. Looks like they've rebuilt carbs, new starter, completely rebuilt engine, probably along with clutch and brake hydraulics. All that stuff's that feels really, really good. Nice firm pedal. But you can see here, not too much needed moving forward mechanically. Let's take a look at, yeah, you can see this is all the original paintwork. So original factory Tyrolite green. But yeah, good little car. I mean, if you're in the market to do some easy cosmetics on an MGA, these 1500 Roadsters with the simple lighting arrangement, the simple tail lights, I think they're the prettiest. And this has its correct 48 spoke wire wheels. So this is a matching numbers 1500 Roadster, finished in this Tyrolite green, black interior, 4-speed wire wheels, completely rebuilt engine, and it's on our website for sale. Really good little project. You can drive it as you restore it. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.